welcome back to my channel, Robert's Garden. Usually I do shows about gardening, or sometimes I do repairs or something similar to that. But now I will do a new kind of segment. I will do a series about a car. I have very recently bought myself a Alfa Romeo GT. It's from 2007. It's the car with has the 2 liters engine, the JTS. And I will do a series when I will start to do a restoration of this car. That has a certain amount of problems with the car, of course. It's not a new car, it's 2007. But my idea is to see what do I need to do to fix this, to fix all the problems, and maybe also to do some styling. I have never done styling on a car in all my life before, or anything similar to it. I'm not very interested in cars, but can I, a very old newbie, become a car mechanic for an old, very beautiful car? This first video will be more of an introduction video. I'll talk about, as I said before, the problems. I will do the first things I will do, and maybe a little bit about the future. What will I continue doing with this car? So, please come with me now. Now we'll go through a little bit about the car. Here we have the car again. As you can see, one of the absolute first things I need to do with this car is make it clean again. It's very dusty. It has a lot of, what do you call it, pollen from the trees. And here you see, I need shower. Someone has written on my car. The first thing I need to do is clean the car. Another thing that I also need to do is to change the tires. This is now winter tires, and as you can see in Sweden we have spring, kind of like spring. So it's time to have new summer tires. I have ordered them online and they will come next week. You see the rims, it's not Alfa Romeo rims. It's some standard aluminium rims, and they are pretty, some of them is in pretty bad shape. So I don't know what I will do with them. This is, of course, 16 inches rims, and the summer tires will be in 17 rims, and that will be original Alfa Romeo rims. On the front end of the car, I have some small problems. One of the problems is I need to change the, what do you call it? Not the full light, the half light. Never mind, I need to change the lights. And also I have some small damage here. I need to order and change this because this is very old and ugly now. It's really worn. I have a problem with this indicator too. It's constantly filled with water. And I have to see if I can some way seal that if you compare it to the other side, which has never any condense in it. Those are the first things I need to do with the front. In the back I have 2 problems. The first problem is I have a small damage here. Probably someone has backed and crashed this lamp. It's completely loose, it's cracked, and you see it's ill-fitted now. From the other side, this one, see? Hole, no damage, and good fitting. That is one thing. And then the other thing is, as I understand it, a common problem with this model is the boot. Look at what happened when I open it. Nothing. It's open now. But how do you open it? You can see by the fingerprints, of course, that the thing is you need to get a grip like this. But it's like a tiny, tiny, tiny spring. So I do like this. Oh. That won't do. I need to fix this so I can get a better grip on it. We have the trunk open now, so I can show you the other problems we have. We have some damage here. We have a small rubber protection is gone there, and also if I flip this, here it should be like hooks on that end and that end, and they are gone. And that is of course the ones that hold these in order for this to swing up and down, and that we need to fix. Let's see if we can get some light in here. In here we have some damage on the, you know, this is, I don't know the name, this thing that is hiding the spare wheel. It is completely, you see, destroyed. Oh, you can't really see it. It's like this. You see, it's ill-fitting, and if I put something in here, it like breaks. That's the things I need to do in the back. On the passenger side, we have a problem with the door. Oh, you can see me. Hello, hello. This door, when I opens it, what happens? The windscreen gets stuck on the rubber part here, and sometimes the door is stuck. And I'm a little bit worried that this will eventually maybe break the window. So and sometimes it's difficult to open the door because this gets hooked. So I think that the whole door needs to be lifted just a few millimeters. And you can also see here, in the fitting here, we have a big gap here. The door is further out from the side of the car. Look, when I go to the other side, here is a much better fitting. And this door has no problem opening and closing. There's never any problem here. You have a big gap here. No problem at all. And you can see here, it's much tighter. And again, when I open it, it falls down and pressure the side. Yes. Let's go inside. And now we are inside the car. There is not so much problems inside the car. It's more like cosmetic things. It's dirty and it's a little bit worn. Some things are a little bit loose in the interior. And there's some, like, you see, I need to, now I managed to turn the camera. You see, this has lost all the springiness. This we need to fix. And down here we have the whole this side is loose, probably some mechanic, something about that. But then it's like, it's dirty, it has, see, scratch marks and stuff like that. These are also pretty bad shape, really. A lot of scratches. See if we can fix that too. Otherwise, it's kind of a okay back seat. I have some problem with the leather, of course. The usual problems we find with leather seats like this. Here we have a huge crack. And also holes in the leather. We have the stuffing coming out. I need to see, what can I do about this? Can I repair it in some way? Or do I need to, I don't know, change the whole seats? Well, I will think about that. The last thing of this list of cleaning and fixing faults or reparations is the windscreen. I have a beautiful damage here by a stone, as you can see. So, otherwise, there's no problem with the windscreen, except it's dirty as hell. But this, do I repair? Do I change the windscreen? Or do I find some window repair service that fills it? I'll see that. And that is also on the list. And that sums it up. Everything I have on this short list of the first emergency cleaning repair things I need to do on my new beautiful fun toy. After I've been doing videos and we have fixed all this, then we can go with the modifications, the styling and the tuning and stuff like that. But first, we need to get the car's condition to like a 0. I hope you will like this short series of a couple of videos where I do a smaller restoration of this car. And please give me comments if you like this, or help me with any. If you have an Alfa Romeo GT, please help me with all the small things I need to think about. So for the near future, I hope I can see you again. Goodbye.